Hello, I'm David Pitt. I make Mary Lwyd's, and I've been asked how I get a good snap on the jaw. This is a Mary Lwyd I'm working on at the moment. It's Mary Ronda. It's a rebuild of a Mary that's been used by Dewey Bowen. So if you want to get a little bit closer, this is how the jaws fit together. This is the method I use, which is to use cable ties. A little bit of cutting away there to make sure that you can put them there. And I always pad out the jaw hinge itself with a little bit of felt. And this means that the jaw usually, the teeth will align there. On this one, because there was a few front teeth missing, I've rebuilt the front teeth. And you can see that the actual front teeth don't have to contact as long as you've got contact on the back teeth as well. But it may be that, depending on the horse skull, it's just the front teeth that contact. So that gives it a nice snap, as long as you've got the teeth well glued in. The actual mechanism is done by, this is all built up with epoxy putty. There's a tube going in, and I favour a stick which goes in there like that. And this is the control mechanism I find works. And so we've got a bar across the back there, and that's a little bit of carbon fibre rod, and it works like that. So I hope that's clear, and if you need any more advice, just get in touch. Coppertown Mari is my Facebook page for this. Thank you.